Hello everyone! Merry Christmas! We just finished camping overnight and now we're off to this really cool historic place. Today is December 24th, the day before Christmas, and we're leaving our campsite to head over to Mount Samat. It's not just any mountain, it's super important in history. I have to mention that some of these roads wind a lot and are quite steep. These roads are wide, but you might see ongoing construction in certain parts. To get to Mount Samat from nearby areas, you can either take a bus or drive. It's around 30 kilometers away from where I live and usually takes about 40 minutes by car. If you're coming from Maynila, it's about 169 kilometers away and approximately a 3-hour trip. You can take a bus from Cubao or Pasay bound for Balanga, Bataan. From Balanga, you can hire a tricycle or take a bus heading to Pilar. Once in Pilar, there are tricycles available that can take you to Mount Samat. You also have a choice to hike or walk from Pilar Bataan Highway all the way up to Mount Samat. Walking from Pilar Bataan Highway up to Mount Samat can take approximately 3 hours, but it depends on your walking speed and the number of breaks you take. Some people prefer biking or riding their motorcycles instead. Alright everyone, here we go! I can already see the gate and the guards of Mount Samat Shrine. And tada! We're now inside the Mount Samat Shrine. It's 3 p.m. now, and the shrine closes at 5 p.m., leaving us with just 2 hours. But remember, cutoff is at 4 p.m., so they won't accept visitors after that. We paid 50 pesos per adult and 50 pesos for parking, totaling 150 pesos. Kids get in for free. We're in for a bit more walking to get to the base of the Mount Samat Cross. Why? Because we parked our car here at the end of the tour route. So after we're done checking out all the amazing sights, we'll end up right back here. But here's the thing. You have options. You can park your car near the base of the cross, which means no walking right now. But remember, after finish seeing everything, you'll need to hike back up to get to your car. So that's a win. We almost went the wrong way. This is the exit. The guard said we need to head to the right side. That's where the long walk begins. And there I spotted a US M1917 Browning machine gun. It is a water-cooled machine gun, a crew-served heavy weapon designed in World War I, a superior infantry support developed for US tactical troops. Used extensively by Filipino and American forces against the enemy aircraft at the start of the war in the defense of Bataan and Corregidor. And now we need to walk a lot on a steep road. But that's cool because we can see the amazing views and feel the fresh winds. It's a bit chilly and windy, but I like it. Makes me feel more like it's Christmas. Hands off! It's obviously artillery. As we made our way up, we spotted some other guns, or machine guns, I think. I wanted to climb this wall, but then I heard a loud bang! That's my mom telling me to stop climbing. Then I noticed another machine and my little brother was checking it out. And then suddenly, the most amazing view caught my eye. Wow, just look at that. After a few more walks, here we are. This is it. We've reached the base of the shrine. As we look around and explore, let's talk about its remarkable history. Mount Samat is known for the Dambana ng Kagitingan, or the Shrine of Valor. It stands as a tribute to the Filipino and American soldiers who fought during World War II. The monument here is a symbol of courage and sacrifice, overlooking the breathtaking view of the Bataan Peninsula. Once you're here, you can explore the towering cross that's around 95 meters high. Inside, there's an elevator that takes you to the viewing deck, offering an incredible panoramic view of the surroundings. Did you know that the cross is made out of steel and concrete, and it's actually designed to withstand earthquakes and strong winds? It's actually a testament to engineering and dedication in creating this remarkable memorial. And guess what? Near the cross, there's a museum filled with historical artifacts, photos, and stories of the courageous soldiers. It's like stepping back in time to learn about their incredible acts of bravery and heroism. The construction of the Mount Samat Monument began in 1966 and finished in 1970, taking around 4 years to complete this remarkable tribute. Beyond its historical significance, Mount Samat's location holds strategic importance, positioned in a way that provides a sweeping view of Manila Bay and the surrounding provinces. It served as a crucial looking point during World War II. This vantage allowed a clear view of the area, making it a key spot during that time. During World War II, the Battle of Bataan was a crucial moment. Filipino and American troops were up against a powerful Japanese invasion. As the Japanese forces advanced, the Allied troops had to retreat. They eventually took a stand at Mount Samat, using it as a strategic point to defend themselves. Mount Samat became their final hope to resist the Japanese invasion. Despite their bravery, the Filipino and American troops faced enormous challenges during the retreat and the defensive effort at Mount Samat. It was a time of great difficulty and hardship for them as they tried to hold their ground against the powerful enemy. The battle at Mount Samat became a symbol of their determination to resist, but eventually, facing significant shortages of vital supplies and ammunition, the combined Filipino and American forces had no choice but to surrender. The museum, elevator, and the viewing decks are closed for maintenance. As per the guard, we'll head back here and hopefully when we return, the museum and elevator will be open for us to explore. 4 p.m. and we're done looking around, but now we need to finish walking down these stairs to reach our car.
Please like and subscribe to Wow Vlogs!
We're heading to Balanga to pick up things for our Noche Buena. That's it for now. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye!